Hey guys, my name is Khaleel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money receiving text messages. Yes, this method is going to allow you to make money by simply receiving text messages on your phone. It is a legit method that I have tried myself. It's legit, it's working, and it's worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method and make money on the internet. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. But wait, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So the platform I have for you today is called Money SMS app. Money SMS allows you to make money by simply receiving text messages on your mobile phones. I know now you may be wondering, why would anyone pay you for just receiving text messages? Well, you know, companies or businesses need to be sending text messages to their customers or clients all over the world from time to time. So they need to be sure that these messages can be delivered at any time. So that's why they are using ordinary people like you and I to ensure that their messages can be delivered without problems at any time. So that's why you'll be paid to receive text messages. Okay, and this method is passive. There's nothing required from you. All you have to do is just sign up, download the application, and start receiving text messages. So how do you go about this? Well, first you need to click the link in the description below, the first link actually. Click that link to download the application. And also, this application is currently only available to Android users, and so if you are an iPhone user, then for now this application is not available for iPhone users. Okay, so what you have to do is click the first link in the description below, download the application, sign up, and start receiving text messages and start making money. Okay, so this platform will pay you 2 cents per SMS you received. Okay, so to maximize your earnings, what you have to do is to make sure that your phone remains connected to the internet at all times. You ensure that your phone is connected to the internet all the time. That way you're going to maximize your earnings. That way you're going to receive more messages, and which means more money for you. Okay, so that's one way you make money on this platform. The other way you can make money with this platform is by referring people. That's through referrals. When you refer someone to this platform, anyone that signs up using your referral code, you're going to earn 30% of their total earnings. So whatever amount they make on this platform, you're going to get 30% of that. Okay, and also when they sign up using your referral code, anyone that signs up with your referral code, that person is also going to be paid. It's also going to get 25 cents free just for signing with your referral code. So it's actually a win-win situation here. Okay, so that's how you earn on this platform. First, you receive messages, you earn money, and you also refer people, you earn money. Okay, so this platform pays through PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you just you receive your money directly through your PayPal account, which is easy and also seamless. Okay, so if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also receive your money via web money. Okay, if also you don't have web money, then you can receive your funds in cryptocurrency. You can receive your money in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So what you have to do is you need to download a Bitcoin wallet or an Ethereum wallet, and you can use that to receive your funds. So a lot of options for you there to receive your money. You have PayPal, you have web money, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. Okay, the thing that excites me actually is the cryptocurrency option, because you know PayPal is not available worldwide. There are countries where PayPal is not available. So but Bitcoin, that's cryptocurrency, is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can use you can receive your funds in cryptocurrency. It has no restrictions. Whichever country you are from, you can just download a Bitcoin wallet or an Ethereum wallet and you can receive your funds that way. Okay, so that's a Money SMS app for you. So all you have to do now is click the first link in the description below, download the application, start receiving text messages and start making money. Okay, so that's Money SMS for you guys. But before we go, please subscribe to my channel, also like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.